Hello guys, what's up? You all must have been well acquainted with the term headings, but you will be happy to know that HTML documents have headings like text documents. Sounds interesting, right? So let's get started. Like text documents have headings and subheadings, HTML also has headings and subheadings. That is, headings and subheadings differ in size. Here in the HTML document, subheading can be given to a paragraph or a division, and the headings are given at the top of a web page. Basically, the headings are of 6 types. They are as follows: H1 heading, H2 heading, H3 heading, H4 heading, H5 heading, and H6 heading. H1 heading are of bigger size and H6 heading are comparatively of smaller size than of the H1 to H5 headings. Now let's run it in the Sublime editor. Now inside the starting and closing tags of the heading 1 to heading 6, I have defined I'm heading 1 to I'm heading 6 inside its body. Now let's run it in the browser. So when I run it in my browser, you can see I'm heading 1 seems to be much larger font size than of I'm heading 6. Okay, so now you got me. Now here is the task for you. I want you to go to different websites and analyze which type of heading is used there and to comment me below what you found. Coming next to the horizontal line. A horizontal line is defined through the HR tag. They are also called as horizontal rows in HTML. It acts as a break between two contents of a paragraph. Remember one thing, horizontal rows or HR tags can have the starting tag but they don't have a closing tag. Now let us try this in our previous example. Now I have defined an HR tag after each heading tag, and you can clearly see that it doesn't have an ending tag. Now let's run it in the browser. And when I run it in a browser, you can clearly see the horizontal lines of the rows after each heading I have defined. Now I want you to try by yourself. Give a heading to your HTML document, then define 2 to 3 paragraphs and give subheadings to the paragraph, and then distinguish between 2 paragraphs by using a horizontal row. To comment below what you find out. Now you can see at top of your web page written your file name. As my file name is heads.html, it's showing heads.html. Now what if I want to write something else instead of my file name? Okay, it's done by the help of the title attribute. Now a title tag is used to set the title of a web page. Coming to the Sublime editor, inside the title tag, I define my title, and when I run it in my browser, you can see that my file name changed to my title. It is done by the link attribute. The link attribute specifies the relationship between. It is done by the link tag and the rel attribute. The rel attribute specifies the relationship between the link tag and the HTML document. Now here we want to link the icon of the document. So in the Sublime editor, I write my code as inside the link starting tag, I define rel icon as we want to link the icon, and inside the href we give image address. If you have mentioned your image inside your folder, then just write your image.jpg or else give your specified image location. Now when I run it in my browser, you can clearly see my link icon. Looks cool, right? Okay, now it's time to recap. First we read about the headings. The headings can be given to the starting of a web page or to a paragraph or division, and it is of 6 types starting from H1 to H6, and the size vary according to the chronological order. Next we read about the horizontal row tag, and it can be given to any paragraph or any division, and it doesn't have any ending tag. It is used to differentiate between 2 paragraphs, divisions, or any text. Coming to the title tag is used to give the title of a web page. Coming next to the rel attribute. The rel attribute specifies the relationship between the link document and the web document. The rel attribute specifies the relationship between the current document and the link document. Here, the rel attribute is assigned a value icon, and through the href path, we set the path of the image and through which the icon of the web page changes. So guys, if you found this video useful, then give a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. For any queries or suggestions, then leave a comment below and I will be replying you ASAP. Till then, thanks for your patience and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.